What's up guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. I'm with AJ again. The other car, si Aidan. We're going to our honey hole today. Hopefully we can catch some smallmouth because that's our target today. Well, hopefully we can also land some good size spikes. And today is my first time using fishing kayak. Let's see what happens. Alright, so stay tuned guys. See you on the water.
Parang na tayo si NByak.
We just got here, setting up all the watercrafts. We've been here for like a few times already. Wala muna kaming no inflatables for today. So let's see. Graced by using this one. Testing. First time. Already. I don't know, but the water is a bit high. Wala na. Kayak is ready.
Saka ba ilulusot to, Dan? Saka ilulusot to. Di po? Batres, ha?
Kaya kapagil ka pa ba?
Kasilahin mo na lang yan dito yung...
Hey!
Sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan tulong eh. Sorry.
Pinay-ben din yung hangin.
Tingnan mo natin yan. Tingnan muna natin yan. Tingnan mo yan. Mali.
Ikaw, eh.
May kumagat eh. Tira natin. Testing.
Uy!
Mali. Huli ka.
Huli?
Dali ka lang to clearance. Sabi ko bakit yun? Kung mura ibenta. Kung sa bali pala yung type. Balik, ito yun, balik. Bali ba yan? Dito tayo sa loob. Dito.
Got it.
Ito sa loob.
First fish!
First fish!
Ano?
On zero.
Danilo! Nice. Parang trout.
Nahuli na gising naunang may fish. First fish. We are no longer skunk. Skunk is already dead, so yeah. Got it on the bus bait.
Well, you know what? I'm
Ready.
not into paddling. I would rather have a little more. I'm lazy.
Let's see.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Now we got some company, guys. You're giving me giving us some tips.
Magandang umaga.
Oh, magandang araw.
Okay, Mike, try. Nice speak. It's mine, but he's trying it for the first time.
Are you a little nervous?
Yeah.
Well, we we have to let our motor warm up. So now I'm going to stare at you, and that's going to make you more nervous.
You got an audience.
We are at 16 feet. So 16 feet right now. Wala, solo. I am solo right now. First cast on the kayak. So, this place has always been good to us ever since we started. And yeah, it was. It's always a go-to for us. Nervous ako. Uli. Uy, laki. Ang laking pike. Uy, laking pike. Ang laking pike. Help, 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 help. Ang laki nito. Ha? I know. Oh. Guys, look at that. Oh my god. Pare, laki oh. Pare, hindi kasya sa net to. Hindi kasya sa net. Holy. Ang saya. Brado, look. Oh. Look at that, boys. Look how big that. PB to. Pare, help. I really need help. Oh. Oh. I need help. Oh. Well, don't shake it. Yeah. Second. PB to, Brad. PB. Oh, ay! Ah, come on, man! Woo! Okay, another one, boys. Pike na naman. Yeah, I'm gonna hold you this time. Sorry. Grabe naman kasi kayong makakagat, pucha. Third fish. Third fish, guys. Third fish. Yeah. Third fish. Okay, release natin. Tara, gilid-gilid muna kasi tayo. Kayo naman eh. Shadow naman kayo atat eh. We should maximize the space. Okay? Lapit kaya tayo sa may island. 34. Ha? 71. 119, 120. 130. Nakikita mo ba yan? So we are here. Yan. But look. 134. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Sorry, I'm really not used yet to this kayak thingy. Yeah, 138 feet. So update. 3 na. 3 fish. Ang nakipaglaro. Let me show you my peeps. Yun sila. This is our setup. The traditional Pinoy set. Yeah. Diba? Oh! Holy! Tataob ako! Ano to? Holy! Ang laki nun! That was a huge thing! Holy! Nakita nyo ba yun? Wow! That was a big one. Are we recording? Ay, putya! Sayang, hindi naka-on! Like, damn it! That was a big fish. Putya, baka naka-PB na ako ng pike, hindi ko alam. But I know it's a pike. This is a huge one. Naputulan ako! May kumagat sa akin, pare, ang laki! Ang laki nung kumagat sa akin, Brad! Putol yung bass bait ko eh. Karap. Pero maliit eh. I want the big one. Diba? Kuha lang. Hindi kita bate. Parang na tayo si Enbiak. Oh. Brad, don't be too greedy. Oh, don't be so greedy. Okay? Fourth. Pero, puro pike eh, oh. Okay. Bye. Pike pa din. Yeah, I know. Damn it. Pike pa din. Ang laki mo, ha? Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, don't do that, please. Don't do that, yeah. Ikaw, don't tell me, ikaw na naman yun. It's my fifth one. Yeah. Bye-bye. Hindi ko na naman alam kung paano ko i-edit to. Itong video na to. But so far, we've been catching fish. But it's all pikes. Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit. Uy! Ha? Come on! Ano yun? Wow! The heck? Putsa kinagat tapos ano? Swipe it off? Gano'ng kalalakas mga isda? sixth one. Ah! Oh! 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 Yung rod ko! Ah! Oh, yeah. Oh. Thank you. May problema tuloy ako sa'yo. I don't know, 7? Yeah. He nabbed my buzzbait. Alright. Thank you for biting. Nakablok na lang pala. Okay. Mayang shape. I'm gonna get you. I am gonna get you. Yeah. Oh, no lure left behind. Ay, tulungan niyo ako! Dan! Dan! Woo! Woo! Help! Di ako makaalis! Yun! Okay na, okay na! Woo! Yo!
Luy,
Oh.
nandito kami sa ni Michelle sa ilalim ng power lights.
Oh, ang layo niyo naman.
Puta, daming isda, Brad.
Oh?
Oo, naghihintay lang kami kumaga, pero tuloy-tuloy talaga yung reading. Yung bar.
Gano'ng kalayo?
Sa bend.
Sa bend.
After lang ng bend. Oo, yeah, really.
Teka lang, punta ako dyan.
Sige, di ba yung padre, basta dumiretso ka makikita mo kami, dito lang kami sa gitna.
Parang natatakot ako ah.
Hindi, matahimik kami.
Tahimik ba dyan? Okay. I'm coming.
Okay.
Wait. Saan ba ako pupunta? I'm on my way. But I'm going there slowly but surely. I am just cruising around. Well, shout outs to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate. Try to make content as much as I can. This whole YouTube thing is something else. Needs a lot of effort and time, especially in editing videos. But I don't know, I'm really loving it, in all honesty. Most especially when I see how I created the videos. It's rewarding in a way. So far, yeah, I'm loving it, in all honesty.
Daddy,
Oops.
why is he so...
Brad!
Oh. Pinahuli ka? Pike ulit.
Pikester.
Mike again?
Yeah, it's a pike.
Mike.
Ano, hey. Teka lang! Ninet ko pa ba itong hayop ko? Oh, yeah. Huwag ka nang magtatalon dyan. Huwag ka nang maglito lapid, okay? Hindi ka makakawala dyan. Oh, bumangga na ako. Oh,
Ay, gago ka.
yeah.
He's breathing.
Tignan mo, saan na ako napunta. But yeah, it's my 8th fish. Bye-bye.
Uy, look.
Up!
Wala na.
I got another one.
Wow.
Uy. Pero mukhang pikester ulit. Ari, malaki.
Anong gamit mong lure?
Hello. Oh, di, laki.
Anong gamit mo?
Okay. Whopper popper. Woo. Look
Water
at this.
popper? Tap water?
Have you seen that?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, oh. Woo. Woo. Yeah. No, don't give me that freaking death
Ay, ganun
mode,
tayo.
boy. Ayun oh. Lang ha?
Bato ka doon. Wala ko, makahuli ka ng 5 doon.
Dan.
Laki yun, tingnan mo.
So,
Hindi, banda
Yeah.
na tayo doon para...
This is my-
Parang may traffic ko, pataas.
this is my fish of the day.
19 feet.
Paano kaya size na ito?
Kunin mo yung sagwan.
24. 27. 27 inches. It's the biggest one of the day. Hey, release na. Bye-bye. Thank you for biting.
Alin?
Bye-bye. Sana makahanap tayo smallmouth. Amoy pike na ako, but so far it's 27. 27 inches, boys. Naawa sa amin. Kasi kanina pa raw kami hindi nakakahuli. Ano, pasok tayo doon sa cove. Tara.
Oo.
Oh, ito, agayin ito.
Halika, palinta ka doon ng tap water.
Ayun na. Hop.
Ayun, nahuli na agad.
Ay, nawala.
There's a bear.
Loko. Mamaya bear ka ng bear. Mamaya may lumabas dyan.
Gusto ko nga makakita dyan eh. Sana may lumabas na bear.
Balik na tayo, lumalakas na yung alon.
Tara.
Hawakan mo muna.
Hila-hila.
Lain na lang kaya kita.
Pumapasok kasi.
Ano tingin mo?
Hindi na, okay lang.
Hindi kasi makapasok dito ito. Wala akong mga ano.
Well, no smallmouth bass so far. I don't know why, but we all check the spots we think is possibly hiding place for smallmouth. Nothing. I guess it's a wrap. But I caught 9 or 10. So thank you very much for coming with us. I'll see you on the next video.